Hi, this is the TCL 40SE and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So open first the settings application and then tap here to home screen and lock screen, tap to wallpaper and style, and you'll see here change wallpaper section. Just tap on it. You could use photo from your device gallery previously taken on your device camera or downloaded from the internet, or also you could use the default wallpapers from your device. Just tap to the wallpaper, tap to allow. We could see here the preview. Just tap to apply and click to lock screen. Now we can see the message that this wallpaper applied successfully, so let's just check, and we can see that we just successfully changed our lock screen wallpaper. Also, we get one more way how we could do that. Just hold for a while the home screen with your finger, tap to the wallpaper and style, and by the same way select one from the available wallpapers here, tap apply, lock screen, and that's it. So thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.